Steve Lawson's attorney argued in court today charges against his client should be dropped due to an immunity agreement.
Lauren Adams explains why the prosecution isn't debating the immunity offer, they're refuting the terms.
The prosecution claims Steve Lawson was told he'd have to be completely honest, telling what he knew without leaving anything out. But they say that didn't happen. And today, they used video recordings and phone calls to prove it.
What are we doing here?
Special prosecutor Shane Young expressed frustration in court Thursday as he argued charges should not be dropped against Steve Lawson. Lawson is charged with complicity to murder and tampering with evidence. Young admitted immunity was offered to Lawson early on, since he was the first to talk with investigators about his role in the July 2015 disappearance of Crystal Rogers.
Was Brooke Houck responsible for this? Yes, he was. Can we show that through what Mr. Lawson gave us? Yes, we do. But you have to be 100% honest.
Playing several recordings, including police interrogations, Young said Lawson not only minimized his role, but changed his story. That's Lawson telling investigators his ex-wife, who has since died, was not on the Bluegrass Parkway when Rogers' car was dumped. But cell records indicate otherwise. Lawson denied calling Brooks Houck, but records show dozens of calls between May and June. His attorney said he did call Houck to ask about renting an apartment.
You're saying that's the truth? Yes. Judge, he testified in the grand jury that the phone call was to let Brooks Houck know that the job had been done. He's under oath.
Attorney Ted Lavitz says those other phone calls were likely made by Lawson's son and co-defendant Joseph Lawson, who worked for Houck at the time. And while it wasn't in writing, Lavitz says there was an immunity deal, and Lawson delivered.
They can't just cherry pick one particular interview and say, this is the deal. That's not what it was.
The judge has said he'll review both sides and also look at that evidence before making a ruling. That ruling is expected in the coming days. Reporting in Bardstown, I'm Lauren Adams, WLKY News.
If charges are not dropped, Lawson, his son Joseph, and Brooks Houck will return to court next month. It will likely be decided then where a trial will take place.